With proud thanksgiving, a mother for her children, England mourns the dead across the sea. Flesh of a flesh they were, spirit of a spirit, fallen in the course of the free.
Solemn the drums thrill, death august and royal. Sink sorrow up into immortal spheres. There is music in the midst of desolation, and a glory that shines upon our tears.
They went with song to the battle, they were young, straight of limb, true of eye, steady and aglow. They were staunch to the end, against odds uncounted, they fell with their face to the foe.
They shall not grow old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
They mingle not with their laughing comrades again. They sit no more at familiar tables of home. They have no lot in our labour of the daytime. They sleep beyond England's foam.
But where our desires are, and our hopes profound, felt as a wellspring that is hidden from sight, to the innermost hearts of their own land they are known, as the stars are known to the night.
As the stars that shall be bright when we are dust, moving in marches upon the heavenly plain. As the stars that are starry in the time of our darkness, to the end they remain.